All right, this one's going to be about 3 items I got from, or 3 tools, I guess you'd say. Got from Amazon and one I got from Harbor Freight. So let's get into it. Okay, the first one, you're not going to really be able to see what it is because it's in a box. I'm going to get everything. I'm going to show you everything in the packages, then I'm going to get them out. This is pencils. To be honest with you, I don't remember how many pencils. I think 2. Not sure. One silver, one black for marking on different color metals. I'm trying something new. I don't have the big lights on. I just got a light here in front of me, and I don't know if I like it. It's kind of blinding me, but we'll go with it. Anyway, next item is this right angle from Black & Decker. I mean, Black & Decker. DeWalt. Next item is 1/4-inch nano ratchet. Now you've seen in one of my other videos, I had the 1/4-inch nano ratchet with a 3/8 head in it. This one's a 1/4-inch head. This one's don't look like it's bent like the other one was, right? Anyway, next up is Icon. Yep, I got the pliers. I don't know if I like them fat handles, but we'll see when I get them out of here. So with that being said, let's get these boxes open and show you a little better. Okay. I had to use my old trusty, almost wore out Kleins. These used to be my favorite go-tos until I got the Knipex. These still are. They're just not as sharp as they used to be because they're like 30-something years old. Anyway. First up, this is the different lead. There's 2 of these black ones. I guess this is, you can use it for marking on wood or like aluminum, where the silver ones you wouldn't be able to see. And these are the silver ones. 2 of them, just replacement leads. Here's the blue pencil with the silver lead, like I said, for marking on darker metal. This is the black one with the black leads in it. It's pretty cool. It's nothing special. I just thought you'd want to see it. For marking on wood or lighter color metal. That way you'll still be able to see it because it's black instead of silver, right? Anyway, next we have the Black & Decker, right? No, I'm just kidding. It's DeWalt. The right angle. Now, it goes in an impact driver or drill where you can use it as a right angle. Now, if you've seen one of my other videos, I got one similar to this, but I didn't really get it for this because I was planning on buying this. I got it for the swivel. I think it's 1/4, 3/8, and half. I think it had a half for sockets, but it swivels. The one that's like this is really tiny. I didn't really like it, so I wasn't really getting that for that. I was wanted to get this one. So I finally did. There's that. And I'll show you the package again in case you didn't see it. They just call it a right angle attachment. Let's see. I guess that up there is the part number. Anyway, here is the ratchet. I should have got my other ratchets out to show you how small this is. And this is from Astro Tools. Let's see. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that because it's so freaking small, but try to get me out of there. This is awesome. Long one. It's going to come in handy. Real nice like. Anyway, next up. But wait, no, that ain't it. Just kidding. We have Icon. Now, I ain't gonna lie, these handles are awful freaking fat, which is, you know, if you got big hands, that you don't have a problem with that. These are kind of made like the Snap-ons. I know everybody's hating on Icon because they try to copy Snap-on, but hey, if Snap-on's patents run out and anybody can copy them, why not? What's wrong with that, right? They're pretty cool. Let's see. I put the package up. They don't say where these are made. And even though these handles are fat, it tells you right on the tool they're not insulated, like for electrical work. So, yeah, there that is. I will say, they're awful sharp. I guess it has a cutter there too, where you can cut things. So far, so good. I'll see. I think I have a pair of. You know what? Let me cut this off and open my toolbox, and I'll be right back. Okay. I need to adjust that camera. It looks like it's kind of crooked. Anyway, I was trying to find my Snap-on pliers. They're chrome. They don't have any handles on them. They're just metal handles. But I don't know where I put them. I guess they might be in my truck. But anyway, this is the only two pair of pliers I have here in the garage, other than that one that's in my truck, or there might be two in my truck. I got the Knipex. These are the, what do they call them, twin grips, I think. These are awesome. Well, I've shown these in another video. I just want to show you. Oh, wait. Let's see. Show you the size. Comparison to the Icon. And then the trusty old, everybody knows who this brand is. Do I really need to say it? If you know what this brand is, put it down there in the comments for me. If you think you know. Anyway, compare them. Wait, let me see. Make sure I'm not giving up the brand. Okay, face it toward me. And I'll show you sideways. I've had these a long time. These are, as you can see, they're beat up. Rode hard, put up wet, right? Anyway, just want to show you those, compare them. That way you have some kind of something to compare them to, the Icons to see how big and how fat the handles are compared to regular pliers. Anyway, and then of course you know the Knipex style handles. They are a lot bigger, but I think they're nice. I mean, I don't have a problem gripping them with my hand. They're cool. We'll see how they work out, and like everything I review, if I ever have any problems with anything, I will let you know. But the good thing is they got a lifetime warranty, right? So if they break, I'll get a new one. Anyway, I wanted to show you this too. This is the other ratchet I was talking about. Now, this is, I think this is supposed to be a regular 1/4-inch ratchet, their long one, with a 3/8 head in it. Because you see how small it is. I didn't bring a regular 3/8 ratchet over here to show you, but I've already done a video on it, so you can go check that video out, right? You should have already seen that video. Anyway, you see, this is the new one, the Nano. You see how freaking small that is? If this is their regular 1/4" ratchet, and this is the, oh wow, look at that. It's a little bit magnetized. I don't know how that happened. But this is the Nano one. This is a lot smaller. This will fit in a lot better places, or smaller places. I don't know if you can see that or not. The difference in size. Okay, sorry about that. Sounded like somebody was outside. Anyway, where was we at? Showed you the differences between what they say is their 1/4" ratchet with a 3/8 head. Now this joker's nice too. This is the one that I was showed in the other video that's bent. I didn't send it back. I waited too long. I probably couldn't send it back anyway. But I'm pretty sure Astro Tools has a lifetime warranty, so if it breaks or anything, I can get it fixed. But now, tell me something, if anybody knows. The only thing I've ever messed up on ratchets is either wrung the anvil off or stripped out the gears or whatever. And of course, the tool truck guys, they just replace it. Rebuild the, put a new head kit in it. If you bend or break this, is this warranty too or no? I know some people saying that the soft grip handles are not warranted, which to me, that's kind of dumb. But I was just wondering. I've never bent or broke the actual ratchet, the metal, just the heads. Anyway, here is a standard snap-on ratchet, 1/4" ratchet, that is, a little short dude. You see the difference? I hope that's coming through. I can't really see very good because of that stupid light shining in my eyes. But of course, this one's a lot longer. This is cool. This is going to come in real handy. And here's a flex head, snap-on ratchet. Still a lot different in size. Now here's a Mac. Little bitty tiny ratchet. Obviously the Astro one is going to be a little bit bigger, but it's not much bigger. Anyway, just wanted to show you that and compare. A lot of people don't have these little small tiny ratchets. Now, these ratchets sometimes come in kits like these. You see how that little ratchet in there is made from Sunex? This ratchet is made pretty much the same way, but this is I'm assuming is a hex to hold the bits. This actually has a 1/4" drive on it to hold the sockets. So anyway, just wanted to show you that. Compare this ratchet to some other ones so you'll see the size. Pretty awesome. That's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.